Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I will be taking you through the Revain website. So let's get started. First, trustworthy review platform built with blockchain technology. You can click this pink button to try now. Revain blog. Exchanges. You can buy and sell and trade token on following exchanges. So these are the websites you can buy and sell. What is Revain? It's a new generation feedback platform, mostly based on the blockchain technology that doesn't allow to change or delete reviews. As you see, you can see these three buttons. You can click it: full white paper, roadmap 2018, and exclusive summary. Network effect. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below. You can also go and check out the Weird Queen's website to find more information about Bitcoin.